Sedimentary rocks. Who will explain? Okay, Uttam, can you explain me what are sedimentary rocks?
Ma'am, sedimentary rocks are those rocks they can weather and erode, and they can collect deep and then cemented and under they can form igneous sedimentary rocks.
Very good. These form the sedimentary rocks. Very good. Excellent. You use excellent words for the explanation. Good. Abhay, can you tell me what are sedimentary rocks? Abhay Malik. Okay, you explain me the definition of sedimentary rock.
मैम इंग्लिश मैम रॉक्स होते हैं मैम, उस पे मतलब कि धूल उस पे मैम वेदर होते हैं मैम, तो मैम वो सेडिमेंटरी कन्वर्ट हो जाती है।
वेरी गुड। When they weathered and erode, जब वो टूटते हैं एंड डिपॉजिट होते हैं, कलेक्ट होते हैं, कॉम्पैक्टेशन होती है, उनमें सीमेंटेशन होती है, जॉइनिंग होती है, जब वो बड़े रॉक्स बनते हैं, सो दैट प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड लिथिफिकेशन, एंड लिथिफिकेशन प्रोसेस फॉर्म्स द सेडिमेंटरी rocks. These are the sedimentary rocks. So what happened with the sedimentary rock? First of all, they weathered and erode, then transport in the form of sediments, then it deposit and then undergo compactation and cementation, and this process makes the sedimentary rocks. Now, who will tell me the examples of sedimentary rocks? Kanishk, can you tell me the examples of sedimentary rocks? Quickly tell me. Karthik, tell me the examples of sedimentary rocks quickly.
Ma'am, shelled, ma'am, chester, ma'am, rock salt, emerald, coal, fossil fuel, ma'am, okay, limestones.
Limestone, sandstone, very good. Yash Amle, tell me the examples of sedimentary rocks quickly. Switch on your video, everyone. Yash Amle, tell me quickly sedimentary rocks.
Ma'am, bacteria, ma'am, solar, steel, ma'am, sandstone, cell, dolomite, chert, limiter stone, rock salt, gans floor, amber, and coal, flagell, petrol.
बेटा आपने लिखे हैं यश, ये लिखे हैं आपने कहीं पे? आपसे रीडिंग भी नहीं हो रही है इनकी, और मैंने बेटा आपको जस्ट डेफिनेशन और एग्जांपल्स लिखने को बोला था, and you didn't write. Its examples are breccia, conglomerate, siltstone, sandstone, shale, dolomite, chert, limestone, rock salt, gypsum, amber, coal, and petroleum. Its famous examples is the siltstone, sandstone, shale, dolomite, limestone, gypsum, coal, and petroleum are the examples of the sedimentary rocks. Today we will discuss about the Okay, today our topic is what are metamorphic rocks. So what we did in the previous lectures, when this magma is the hot molten rocks which is present inside our earth, when it comes out, these are called the extrusive igneous rocks. When these rocks weathered and erode and then transport and deposit at a place, and then they undergo compactation and cementation, that process is called the sedimentary rocks, or this process is called lithification, and lithification process makes the sedimentary rocks. Now our third topic is metamorphic rocks. What are metamorphic rocks? Now when these igneous and sedimentary rocks get heat and pressurized under the earth, under the sedimentary layer, these will form the metamorphic rocks. So this is the definition of metamorphic rocks. What are metamorphic rocks? When the sedimentary and igneous rocks get heated and pressurized, these forms the metamorphic rocks. So let us see the definition of metamorphic rock. This is the most important. These changes occur due to the intense heat and extreme. Metamorphic rocks are formed from the change in the sedimentary or igneous rocks or even other metamorphic rocks. Means metamorphic rocks क्या होते हैं? जो कि sedimentary और igneous rocks होते हैं जब वो change होते हैं. When the changes takes place. Metamorphosis means change. Metamorphosis मतलब ही होता है कि change होना. Now क्या चेंज होता है? इग्नियस और सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स. These changes occurs due to, अब ये चेंज क्यों होता है? When they undergo intense heat and extreme pressure, जब वो underground heat and pressurized होते हैं, they affect the appearance and properties of the rock and then they become harder. Or some of the common metamorphic rocks are the marble, slate, geese and quartzite. इसके 4 ही एग्जाम्पल हैं. You have to learn. These are too easy. Marble you are using in your home, in the flooring. आपके घर पे जो फ्लोर होते हैं वो मार्बल के बने होते हैं. नाउ स्लेट आप यूज करते हैं जो आप बचपन में लिखने के लिए यूज किया करते थे. जीस, क्वार्डेजाइट, these are the examples of metamorphic rocks. Now let me show you. This is the geese stone. It is most shining than marble. Marble is made up of limestone or dolostone. This is the most important question, that joining of limestone forms the lime. What is a limestone? Limestone is a sedimentary rock and sedimentary rocks की joining से क्या बनता है? Marble. Means limestone की joining से क्या बनता है? Marble, जो कि आप घर पे use करते हैं. These are the marbles. Then slate. This is the slate. Then quartzite. Quartzite is that. Now one word is there. What is foliated and non-foliated? What are foliated? Foliated means जिनमें कोई layer नहीं है. Okay. Now let me show you foliated and non-foliated. These are the non-foliated because इनमें कोई layers नहीं है. These are the foliated, non-foliated. Sorry. These are the foliated. इनमें क्या है? इनमें layers हैं एक तरह से. These are called the foliated. तो आपका जो मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक होता है वो फॉयलेटेड और नॉन फॉयलेटेड बोथ होता है. अब इसमें कोई लेयर्स नहीं है, सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज अ नॉन फॉयलेटेड रॉक. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू लर्न इन दिस topic, what are metamorphic rocks? Metamorphic rocks are those rocks which occurs due to intense heat and extreme pressure deep under the ground. Means it is changing rocks of sedimentary and igneous rocks due to intense heat and extreme pressure deep under the ground. Ground के अंदर जब बहुत heat and pressurize increase होती है, then the sedimentary and igneous rocks becomes the metamorphic rocks. Now what are metamorphic rocks? Example, its example is marble, geysers, marble, slate and quartzite. There are 4 examples of metamorphic rocks. So what you have to learn in this chapter, you have to just learn this definition, and today your homework is, what you have to do is you have to write this whole slide, because these 4 points are most important for the metamorphic rocks. You have to know about metamorphic rocks. Metamorphosis means change. When the change of sedimentary and igneous rocks change due to the intense heat and pressure, these undergo under the ground, and when its appearance and properties are changed, these forms the metamorphic rocks. And what they are made? These are marble, slate, geese and quartzite. These are the examples of the metamorphic rocks. So today your homework is just write down this slide only. आज आपको क्या करना है? आपको सिर्फ इसी स्लाइड को अपनी नोटबुक में लिखना है. ये डायग्राम हमने बेटा लर्न कर लिया था. दिस इज द लाइफ साइकिल. First of all, which rocks are made? Igneous, then sedimentary, and then metamorphic, and then again metamorphic rocks makes the igneous rocks. Now this is the diagram, but you have to learn. Then these are the examples of metamorphic rocks. This chapter is too easy. ओके।
पूरा वीडियो देखने के लिए और लेटेस्ट एग्जाम अपडेट्स जानने के लिए डाउनलोड करें कैरियर डिफेंस स्कूल का एंड्रॉयड ऐप।